Okay, real talk tayo dito. Sino dito ang mahilig mag-shopping, kumain sa labas, o mag-book ng flights? Pero gusto mo, every swipe mo may kapalit. Kung yes ang sagot mo, then you need to hear this. Today, I'm going to share with you kung bakit sulit magkaroon ng Union Bank Rewards Credit Card. And how it can turn your everyday spending into amazing perks. Let's start with my favorite. Rewards points na hindi nag-expire. As in, forever mo siyang pwede mong i-redeem. So, kung madalang kang gumastos, or gusto mong ipunin yung points mo for a big purchase, no pressure kasi hindi siya mawawala. Imagine mo years of groceries, gas, and shopping. Biglang may free flights at shopping spree ka, di ba? Panalong panalo yan. Next is kung mahilig ka mag-food trip at mag-travel. This one is for you. With Union Bank Rewards Credit Card, you can earn 3 times sa dining, shopping, and travel. So every time nakakain ka sa favorite restaurant mo, nag-book ng ticket, or may retail therapy ka, triple ang balik sa'yo. Literally na 3 times more ang rewards na makukuha mo. Third benefit is sobrang dali lang guys mag-redeem ng points dito sa Union Bank Rewards Credit Card. Hindi mo kailangan tumawag sa customer service or pumunta kahit saan man. With just few taps sa application or sa mobile app, pwede kang mag-redeem ng flights, gadgets, gift certificates, or even use your points to waive your annual fee. O diba, sobrang convenient. So if you're looking for a credit card na hindi lang basta pambayad, pero nagbibigay din ng value, perks, at flexibility, Union Bank Rewards Credit Card is for you. Huwag na patagalin. Apply now and start your spending into our rewarding moments. Link in the description below. So go ahead and check out after this video. And hey, if this video helped you decide, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Or share it with your family members or friends. Thank you so much for listening.